the land of five rivers. And these are not tiny ponds around the corner. Each one of them is more than 300 miles in length. But we have a saying in Punjab which roughly translates to even if you're standing next to the river, do not waste water. This is the overarching theme for this course, specifically designed for scarcity in a world of abundance. Even if the resources in the cloud seem infinite, we should always try to use less resources whenever possible. My name is Fawad Qureshi, and I've been working in the cloud data analytics space for 2 decades. In this course, you will learn the fundamentals of cloud sustainability. We'll cover what makes some technologies greener than others. I'll show you some common carbon measurements and their implications. And finally, we'll talk about how consolidation results in a better carbon footprint. If I want you to think about one thing when building your cloud strategy, then you should always remember what Punjab told us. That is, do not waste water. So if you're ready to begin, let's get started. Planet Earth is currently operating at 140% of its capacity and on track to be operating at 200% by the 2030s. Imagine a boat which is safe to travel for a maximum of 10 people at a time, and you find out that the boat is constantly being used by 14 people at the same time. You also hear that people are planning to use the same boat to transfer 20 people at all times in tumultuous waters. Would you be concerned if you're one of the 20 passengers on the boat? This is exactly why you should be concerned as a dweller of the planet. We need to change our ways on how we consume resources on this planet. In the last few years, cloud computing has generated a lot of interest in the market for multiple reasons. Next, we will discuss the sustainability benefits of using the cloud. Accenture, a well-known IT services and consulting firm, in their research paper, The Green Behind the Cloud, found out that by moving to the cloud, some companies can save up to 95% of their carbon emissions generated by their on-premises infrastructure. This reduction comes from better power and cooling efficiency in public cloud data centers. This follows the same principle like carpooling or public transport over everyone having their own car. You may not drive your own car for more than 2 hours a day on the average, and for the rest of the 22 hours, it is parked outside your home or workplace. Using public transport or carpooling, you are able to spread out the idle time across many consumers. Similarly, if you have your own infrastructure, there would be times it is not utilized, but yet it is running at all times. In the cloud, through the use of multi-tenant deployment, you can spread out resources across several consumers. Thereby, on the whole, a country would end up consuming less resources. What drives this efficiency? Accenture's research has shown that, for example, AWS data centers are 3.6 times more energy efficient than as compared to median US enterprise data centers. This delivers a significant improvement in hardware efficiency, which in turn reduces the per CPU unit energy consumption. Further improvement can be achieved by following sustainable software engineering principles and implementing cloud-native design patterns. The use of multi-tenancy allows several applications to share resources, which reduces energy consumption as compared to when applications are working on dedicated infrastructure. Cloud providers have unique scale and financial incentives and can work closely with stakeholders in adopting the circular economy when it comes to hardware. Accenture estimates show enterprise technology manufacturers can capture an additional 16% of operating profit by designing products for longevity, modularity, and circularity. All of these benefits combined mean that organizations can save up to 95% by moving their data centers to the public cloud. Now that you understand the benefits of the cloud shared economy model, I'm going to show you how your business can leverage the cloud for more efficiency. This process starts by measuring your business's carbon footprint, which we will cover next.